Hey guys, me the Shoeman here, back with another video. Today we are going to be unboxing, I got this today, the Switchblade comb, ages 5 and up. I got this for $8. It came with 4 of them, but I'm giving the 4 to my family. So I already opened it, well, some of it, like the box. But, so the comb, here it is. This box. Small parts now. Children under 3. And how to do it, and yeah. Switchblade comb. Made in China. Alright. So I'll set that over there. Here's the unit. Has a little keychain holder. It's the safety up and down. Up I think means it's locked. See? Yep, locked. And then down means it's ready to deploy. So overall, it's good. It's just a bit shaky, but it's a good knife or comb. I mean, so let's open it. Oh, that's on safety. So let's open it. Wow, that was great. Yeah, the comb itself, good quality. Stainless steel. It's reflecting. It's like plastic right here. But overall, it's okay quality. It's just this. Like, slides around. See, that's the bad thing. So I can open it in your pocket if you have it. But it's a good comb. Oh, epic fail. The blade is who knows how many inches, but it's really nice. Let's capture this. Let's capture the blade opening in slow motion, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the Switchblade comb review. Overall, it's a good comb. I got this on eBay for $4. It came with 4 of them. No, $8 for 4. Overall, it's a good comb. I really recommend buying it. It's really good. Good quality. Well, it's not the best quality, but it's good for playing around and using and tricking your friends. It's a cool prank. And if you smash the thumbs up button, I'll do a review on the stiletto switchblade. This is the real good one. So if you smash that like button, I'll do a review on this one. So hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, comment. See you guys in the next video. Peace.